In Maya, if you want to rename objects, you just click on them, and in the outliner you give them a name. And if you want to name multiple objects at once, you have to select them all. And then up here, there's this little square icon, which can change. So if you click it and choose a name, you can just rename them here. In Max, it's very similar. You can either right-click rename here in the outliner, or you can rename them here under their properties. And if you want to rename many objects at once, you just go up to Edit Object Properties, and you have this Rename Objects tool, which can give complex names by choosing base name, adding prefixes, removing digits from your prefixes. You can add suffixes and so on, number them, etc. In Blender, it's very similar to both. So if I click on an object and I press F2, I can rename it instantly, or I go here into its object properties and give it a name. And if I want to rename everything at once, I select them and press Ctrl F2, which opens this patch rename tool. And then I set new name, prefixes or suffixes, just like Max.